Even if you hate cauliflower, this recipe will change your mind. 1 small cauliflower cut into florets, 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Steam or microwave cauliflower florets for 3 to 4 minutes until tender. Meanwhile, in a pan, melt butter, add flour, whisk for 30 seconds. Slowly pour milk, stir continuously to avoid lumps. Add cheese, stir till melted and creamy. Season with salt and pepper. Pour cheesy sauce over cauliflower and enjoy.